Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making crab rangoon crispy bake. For that, I'm going to need about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of sriracha, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, a green onion chopped up just the green, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic, a pound of imitation crab, or if you want to, regular crab, a package of phyllo dough, a container of 12 ounces of cream cheese, preferably no flavorings. Now you can either do 3/4 cup of butter melted or use a butter spray, which I find a little easier for this. And last but not least, we'll be using a little bit of chili sauce for the top. Oh, this should be fun, so let's go. Into that mixture will go lemon, salt, pepper, and garlic, or green onions, and soy sauce sriracha mix. That will get thoroughly incorporated into the mixture we already have going on. And I've got one of my packages of the phyllo dough open. I've put a layer of our spray butter on the bottom. I'm going to be taking one of those sheets, crinkling it down into the bottom a little. Give it a light spray. Take the crab mixture, put a layer of that. After you spread out that layer, I'm going to take probably about 3 or 4 more. Once again, crimp them up in over the crab rangoons. Give it a good slight spray. And rinse and repeat. Alright, I've got 2 good layers of the crab rangoon. I'm going to top it off with some of the phyllo dough. And I'm going to layer heavily the butter spray over it, because that will be going into an oven at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. And when it's done baking, it'll have a lovely golden crispy top to it. Alright, I've plated up a piece, put a little bit of chili sauce over the top. Now it's time to try it on out. Love the sound of that crunch. It tastes like a pretty well-married combination of spanakopita and our crab rangoon. I like it as a side dish with some oriental food. Maybe make some stir fry or lo mein with this, and cut this up a little smaller, have it as an appetizer. Or you could probably even have it as a main dish. I had a little bit with the chili and without it, and it tastes like crab rangoon either way, so. But if you have any thoughts, like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one.